Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here at this large park area where I usually fly with the fellas. You probably remember that, guys. The tree dive is right over there. But I'm out here with a little plane, y'all. And this is a little F22 from Temu. This is a 3-channel plane though, y'all. This is the transmitter right here. Now Temu contacted me and they asked me if I was willing to show some of their products in a video. In exchange, they will give me the product for free. And so I obliged, and here we are with this little F22. Although they did allow me to pick out what I wanted, I picked this thing out thinking that it was a 4-channel aircraft, and this is not. It's a 3-channel aircraft. And so it has a yaw, but the yaw is from actuating the motors. So it has 2 motors on there, 2 cordless motors under there. It also has an elevator right here in the tail. This tail on some of these aircraft act as elevons. This tail would control elevator and aileron. The control surfaces on this tail on this plane just move up and down, and that's it. It has a single servo there controlling both of them. And so it's a 3-channel aircraft, the throttle being the 3rd channel. Let's get this guy up in the air. It says small rudder, big rudder, but that's that's low speed and high speed. That's your speed settings there. We have light control here, and you cannot turn off the gyro. This thing is gyro assisted. We have fine tuning for these, and then the top one is to reset the fine tuning, and that's all we have, y'all. No special bells or whistles or anything. This is just a 3-channel aircraft, but it's actually pretty fun. I tested this thing out. I fly it near the house, right on the side of my house. I figured I'd bring it out here to the wide open space so you guys can see what it does. So let's try to get this thing in the air. It has an on and off switch on there. We're not going to be able to take off from the ground, so we're going to have to do a hand toss. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to mention, I did put some weight in the front of this thing, so I'm gonna have to show you guys that. So check it out. Try to fly it a little closer since this thing is so small. Check it out. Now, the reason I added some weight to the nose of this thing, because it was flying in high alpha a lot. It even flipped over a couple times on me. Pretty cool little plane here. You can climb and descend pretty fast with it because of the tail. The control surfaces on the tail are pretty large, so it's pretty commanding on the elevator. You can yank and bank it. As you guys can see, I'm banking it. You can give it a little elevator, up elevator when you're turning it, and that'll make this thing do a harder turn. Dive, pull up, and back around. Awesome flying craft, yo. But that gyro is not going to let us do any rolls or anything. You can change directions pretty fast with this thing. Let's try to stall it, see what happens. It's just going to fly in high alpha. Not going to stall out, y'all. I'm off the throttle though.
On this side.
I got some more batteries, I'll let you try. The range on it is pretty good too, y'all. 0 throttle right here. Just gliding down. It glides pretty well too.
Tilt it to the side and then press, and then make it go up, and then that's when it will turn faster.
Oh, we almost turned it over. This little thing is awesome. Trying to stall it. Oh no.
Now can I try it?
Okay, hold on. Let me bring it in. My son is anxious to try this thing. I told him he can have it after I'm done with this review.
Yep.
So let me try to bring it back around. I'm going to try to bring it in.
By the way, my face
At 0 throttle.
than what it sounds like right now.
It's gliding in. Bring it over here, Dreesy. Came with 1 battery, y'all. It came with a 380 milliamp hour battery, but I was flying this thing with a 500 milliamp hour. Let's try this thing in high rates, y'all. So in high rates, oh, this thing will probably do a flip in high rates, y'all. Let's try to bring it back.
Flip. Do a flip.
Let's see, we have to build up some speed. There we go. So we can flip this thing. Let's try it again. I got to get a little more height for this. I'm at full throttle, y'all, with this thing. Here we go.
Now can I try?
My son is anxious to fly this thing,
Yes!
and I can see why. This thing is pretty fun to fly. Let's try to do a flip right in front of us. Turn it around. Oh, I landed it. Okay, son, it's yours.
Yay!
My son's flying it, y'all. He's doing flips. Oh! Don't forget to hit the link in description to take advantage of Temu's $100 coupon bundle, or you can just download the Temu app and input DPN7283 in the search, and many times you can get up to $300 worth of coupon bundles. Don't miss out on some great deals at Temu.